Hey guys, and welcome to the part 1 of the Google Nexus event, which is ongoing at the moment live at San Francisco. So first of all, the first device that they did announce was the Pixel C. Is a new Chromebook, and they are really taking this importantly, because they are trying to make it more important in schools, in more study-wise for more students and all that. So this was the first thing that they announced: Pixel C, new Chromebook. And they also told us about the Google Plan Now users, which are over 1 billion. Very awesome. After that, they started announcing two amazing devices. One is the Nexus 5X, and the other one is the 6P. Now, first off is the Google Nexus 6P, which is the first all-metal Nexus device. So Nexus 6P will also going to charge in about half the time of an iPhone 6 Plus. Also, it has a 12 megapixel main camera and also a 8 megapixel front-facing camera. That's pretty awesome, because LG G4 currently has this 8 megapixel sensor on the front, so probably we're going to see really awesome performance. And then also the fingerprint sensor is called as the Nexus imprint, they are calling it, and it's probably from Huawei, but it's not really mentioned. But yeah, let's move towards the next Nexus device, which is the Nexus 5X from LG. Yeah, that's what is announced from LG. So as you can see, the new Nexus camera will be optimized for more indoor efficiency. It will have like 1.55 micron pixel size, laser autofocus, auto HDR, but no mention of optical image stabilization. Slow motion video will also going to be the part of both of these two Nexus devices, and Google Photo app will let you edit all the photos that you will take, and of course where to implement slow motion in the video, in a normal video. So that's pretty awesome. And there's going to be a smart burst feature that will rapidly take 30 pictures, and you can just quickly double tap with a quick double tap of power button will launch the camera. I mean, they're like the start of the quick camera feature that we have on the Galaxy S6. Now, as you can see, everything is moving to other phones also. So it's a really nice way to open up the camera on the new Nexus phones. Quick double tap of the power button, pretty awesome. Also, this more for the Nexus imprint is that it can recognize a programmed fingerprint in less than 600 milliseconds. Now, I had a really tough time with the fingerprint sensor on my Galaxy S6 and on my OnePlus 2. That's a fact. But it's like really awesome thing that they can do with this new Nexus imprint, that it can make it. They can just program it really faster as compared to other phones that have fingerprint sensor. And then also this new Nexus device will use like Android Sensor Hub, which also has a couple of features like sensor fusion, activity recognition, gesture recognition, low power. Pretty awesome. Now it comes down to the software. They have announced the 6.0 Marshmallow. Yeah, 6.0 Marshmallow will be available on current Nexus devices, Nexus 5, Nexus 6, and the Nexus 9, and of course these two Nexus phones will come right out of the box with the 6.0 Marshmallow. And now they made the preloaded apps, or you can say bloatware, pretty low. You'll see really less apps, so you're going to have like really nice fast experience. We will have a pretty nice material design. Animations are improved with the official version. Also, the app tray is smarter, and it will going to highlight most used apps on the top, so that you can just easily launch them. If you use like Instagram and Facebook, those applications will be put on the top. That is really nice. And then also the fingerprint, or the Nexus imprint, I should say, this will going to work alongside with the Android Pay, and it will work around all the Android ecosystem. That is really nice. We're also going to get enhanced voice capabilities with Marshmallow. There will be a new Google Now on Tap feature, which will allow the voice interactions through the operating system or any application, and it can be enabled with the phone asleep or not. That is really nice and really in competition with the iPhone Siri. So also the average battery life is up to 30% longer on as compared to the 2-year-old Google Nexus 5. That is pretty awesome, because Nexus 5 is really shit in terms of battery life, to be honest. And like I said, 6.0 Marshmallow will begin rolling out next week for the Google Nexus 5, Nexus 6, Nexus 9, and the Nexus 7 2013. So it means that we're not going to see it on the Nexus 7 2012, and of course on our Nexus 10, Samsung Nexus 10. So probably you might want to root them, and maybe some custom ROM will do the trick. Also, as for the availability, both of these two devices are available today for pre-order in US, UK, Ireland, and Japan, and then also more to follow. So if you really want the Nexus 6P and the 5X, you should go to the Google Store now. And then also 5X starts at $379. Pretty awesome, cheaper than the so-called flagship killer OnePlus 2, and also the Nexus 6P starts at $500. So there's also a new feature which they are calling as Nexus Protect, which will kind of like work at the same like Find My iPhone type of thing, something like that. Also, there will be like there will be like a 90 days Google Play Music, and then also $50 Google Play credit with the devices. If you like, I mean, kind of like if you buy them on pre-order. And then also this Nexus product is actually the feature that will cost you some money. Yeah, that's what they're telling you. So it's like 2 years of coverage for mechanical breakdown. Okay, it's like a sport for hardware. If something breaks down, if you have any accidental damage and all that, they have given the price in there, which will fix all that stuff. So they will actually going to replace the phone. Yeah. If your device has mechanical damage, they will going to replace it. For the Nexus 5X, it's about $69, and for the Nexus 6P, it will cost you $89, and your device will be replaced by another fresh variant. And also, both of these Nexus 6P and the 5X will work with Project Fi, and they have also introduced some new Google Play Music, which has like new features. And then also we got some new features in the Google Play in terms of connecting different families. Of course, if you have like they will give you like a music family plan. You can listen to music anytime on any device. That is pretty awesome on multiple phones. So Google Play Music Family Plan will cost you $15 per month for up to 6 Android devices. Pretty nice. So Google Photo apps also have a new feature that makes it easier to share to different devices. There's also a new way to search photos in albums and all that. They also told us that the amount of users that are using photos and videos since the launch, which is around 50 billion. So next off is the all-new Chromecast, coming with the dual-band Wi-Fi and improved Wi-Fi performance, and then also a redesigned application with features like content discovery, which will work really fine with our Google Now and all that. You can search for content through the app using the Google search, which is the one way we have for searching. And then also we have a really nice Chromecast audio, and it will be streaming. The streaming time will be really fast It has a dedicated feature which is called as the fast play, and they've showed that content load time will be reduced as much as 80% as compared to the previous Chromecast. It will also going to play a role with gaming also. So yeah, stay tuned for the part 2 where we will talk about the Pixel C Chromebook features and all that. So yeah, I'll see you in the part 2. Peace.